In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the folder size in pCloud. This is super helpful if you are trying to manage storage, clean up space, or find out which folders are taking up the most room. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the aquamarine button that says Go to My Account. Now here, all I have to do is super simple. Go to the folders, okay, and locate the files and find the folder you want to check. Now, this can be any folder of photos, backups, or large uploads. Now, here I have this specific folder. I want you to right click or click on the three dots icon and the menu will pop up. All right. Now, all I have to do is super simple. You see, there is an option here that says folder info on the top corner, or just hover down here. What will happen is you would see information and details about that specific folders, how big it is, if it's shared or not. Okay, so this gives you a clear idea of how much storage, all right, that folder is using. If the folder is very large, pCloud may take a few seconds to calculate the size, so you don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a moment. Now, if you want, if you're decided to delete that specific folder or file so you can clear up some space, it's up to you. All right? And basically, that's how you can quickly check the folder size in pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.